These are my bird friends. Who are you going to play with now? Eagle! This is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look for them. I found them. Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. Drag the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. Eaglet has finally learned how to fly. Great work! The eagle comes to the sea to look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Wonderful! So many fish! Daddy Eagle has found so much food. All the eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Eagle. Let's play again next time. This is a swallow. It has a scissors-like tail. Where are the swallows? Go and look for them. I found them. Swallows live under eaves. Oh, baby swallows have outgrown the nest. They need a new nest. We need these materials to build a new house. Please help look for them. swallows build their nest. Wow, how beautiful the new nest is! Let's decorate the new nest. Feathers can make the nest more comfortable. Put the baby swallows into the nest. Swallows love eating bugs. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Swallow. Let's play again next time. This is Toucan. It has a very big beak. Where are the toucans? Go and look for them. I found them. Toucans live in a tree in a jungle. This opening is a bit small. Enlarge it so that the toucan can live in it. What a fabulous new house! The baby toucans are hatched. Daddy Toucan is going out to look for food. The toucan loves scampering from branch to branch. And it loves eating small fruits. Help it find some small fruits. Tap on the firm branch so that it can jump forward. Only step on the firm branch. Daddy Toucan has brought back so much delicious food. Baby toucans are having with you, my friend, Toucan. Let's play again next time. This is a swan. It has a very long neck. Where are the swans? Go and look for them. I found them. Swans live amongst the reed bed by the lake. The cygnets are hatched. The cygnets are learning to swim under the care of their parents. Oh, the naughty cygnets are running about. Get them back. Don't run about. Oh no, an eagle is coming. Beat the eagle off. The cygnets' parents are protecting them. Good job. The eagle is driven away. Tap on the cygnet to get rid of the unwanted down. It feels so much better now, but there are still some other things. Thank you. The cygnet is much cleaner now. Swans are flying south for the winter. They fly sometimes in V shape and sometimes in one straight line. Cygnets are starving after the long flight. They're full and are strong enough to fly